Hello, everyone. Today we are going to demonstrate how to process invoices located in Google Drive and exporting that information into Google Sheets end-to-end using Docsumo. We've introduced a new feature, an integration hub, which contains many commonly used integrations for document processing. This hub includes Google Drive, Google Sheets, OneDrive, S3 buckets, and even custom code to pull data from various sources into Docsumo. To begin, we need to enable our document type, which can be done from the document type section here. You can select invoices or go to our model hub. From there, you can search for invoices or any other document type and enable it as needed. Now that our document type is ready, we'll move on to integrations. Click on Integration or Connection Library, then click on Add Integration. We'll give it a name, for instance, IG Drive, and authenticate it with Google. Once the authentication is complete, we need to set a trigger. This tells the system from which folder we will pull the data. You can add a trigger from here, or you can go to Triggers and add one there. Choose your integration and indicate that you want to add a trigger. Here, select Invoice as the document type and add Trigger by giving the name Invoice. From this point, you'll first need to specify the folder. We'll do this by selecting the folder. You can search for the folder here as well. I've already created a folder, and you'll find invoices in it. So we'll confirm the path. For now, we'll import all the files from this folder, as there are only a few files in it. Let's test the integration to ensure everything is functioning as expected. The testing is complete, and the file has been uploaded. We'll activate this trigger and save it. Now, if you navigate to your invoice document type, you'll be able to see that your invoice was uploaded. Let's wait a few seconds for the rest of the files in my folder to get uploaded to Docsumo. Your files should now be uploaded. To ensure everything is in order, we'll review a few of these files. After confirming that all extractions are perfect, including the line items, we'll begin exporting the data. We'll add a new integration for Google Sheets and provide the necessary authentication. Once this is ready, we'll add a trigger named Sheet Invoice. We'll set it for the newly approved documents and create a new sheet, which we'll call V3. After activating and saving it, we can go to the document type and approve a few documents in Docsumo. As we approve these documents, they will be exported to Google Sheets. To demonstrate this, we'll confirm 3 documents. Then we'll go to our Google Drive, search for the corresponding sheet, and see the extraction there. We've successfully found the sheet. Here is the sheet. And as you can see, 3 files have been uploaded. These are the exact 3 files we had approved earlier. This one is duplicated because it has multiple line items. For each line item, we duplicate the key value data. Now, let's go to Docsumo and approve another file. We'll choose file number 2. Everything appears to be in order. Let's approve it. Now, if we go back and check the Google Sheet, we'll see that this row for file 2 has also been added. This allows us to export the extracted data directly to the Google Sheet. Every time a file is added to the folder in Google Drive, it will be pulled into Docsumo. The file will be processed, and once approved, it will be extracted to the Google Sheet. This way, we can handle the end-to-end processing of the invoice. You can also view your data from the data table here. As you can see, this view shows each file and its corresponding extracted data. You can see all the extracted data in one place. You can also view the extracted key value pair and line items. We have more features related to filtering this data and exporting that we'll showcase in future videos. This integration ensures that every time a file is uploaded to Google Drive, it is uploaded and processed by Docsumo. Once approved, it is automatically sent to your Google Sheet. It can also be sent to any other downstream system using the integration hub we have. Enjoy the convenience of end-to-end data extraction. Happy data extraction!